Hi friends, this is the website you would use to find the resources about Reading Horizons. It's RHAccelerate.com, and you should be able to access a lot of materials for free without signing in. But I'm going to sign in and just show you how I use it. And then if you don't have access to specific things I've shown you, you're always welcome to send me an email and ask for help. I like to use the Lessons tab the most. And then once you're there, make sure if you're doing Discovery, you're clicked on Discovery. If you're doing Elevate, that you click on Elevate. And then up here, you can click and find the lesson that you're currently working on. Let's say you're doing L-blends. So I'd come over here to L-blends. And then you need to move your mouse outside of this box to be able to scroll back down. And it will show you that L-blends are open. It has a copy of what the book has for the L-blends. Over here are some videos that you can use. They're also separated into guided practice, transfer, reinforcement. I usually click on this transfer, and this is where I would find my transfer cards and print them so that kids could write on them or highlight things so that they don't have to ruin your main copies. You also can take a look at the reinforcement and differentiation activities. Sometimes there are some games here, and with some instructions, you can see that there are a few here for the L blends. It just gives you some ideas of ways that you can use that particular lesson to help with kids who are struggling, or you need to just mix it up a little. You can also come over here and instead of going to those categories, just click on things that are downloadable. You can see that the transfer cards are here. The games are here. It's just not separated into those categories. You can scroll through it that way. Resources is another way to access that. You could come, again, make sure you're in Discovery or Elevate, and you could click on L-blends and search it that way. I don't usually use this search function just because it is so organized over here by the lessons, and I usually find what I'm looking for in this scenario. I've talked to Reading Horizons about this planner option. They say that for most people, it hasn't been as useful as they had designed it to be, so they also suggested to stick to the lessons. Training is blocked to most people. We do have to purchase an extra license, but if you want to have more personal training on Reading Horizons, we can certainly figure out a way to get that for you. If you have more questions, feel free to just email me, and hopefully this was